When searching for the right DUI attorney, keep these important things in mind. This is a common offense, so some attorneys may say that they have worked in this environment before. Be sure to seek out only those who have expertise and experience in current DUI litigation. Consider an attorney located near your home. It may be more convenient to meet for conferences and talk about your strategy. The right DUI attorney will be familiar with the local court system. They're more likely to be acquainted with the legal professionals and judges involved in your case. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a DUI attorney that's right for you. 1. Make sure you understand the attorney's fees and billing rates along with other costs to work on your case. 2. The State Bar can also help you make an informed decision when choosing an appropriate DUI attorney. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right DUI attorney. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.